Villa Vlog. Today we're going to whip up some flatbread. It's called Bannock. Perfect food to cook when you're camping. Not many ingredients. We're going to make a little raisin, brown sugar, Bannock. Let's see what we need. We got flour, baking powder, a little salt, brown sugar, raisins, and water. So it just doesn't get much easier than this. We've got our flour, we add our baking powder, our salt, give that a little mix. Next we're going to add our brown sugar and our raisins. Give that a quick mix. And now we just need to add enough water to make a dough. So I'm just going to start by adding a little bit. Give it a good mix. Alright, we need a little more water. And I'll mix it up and show you what it should look like when we get it all done here. And there we have it. It's just a little bit wet, a little bit sticky. Just add a little more flour. Just like so. Once we get our dough, I'm just going to let that rest just for a few minutes. And we're ready to cook it already. Right, I'm going to warm up our pan. Just going to add a little bit of margarine to our pan here. You can use olive oil, vegetable oil, regular butter, whatever you want. And then all we do is flatten out our dough, like so. Alright, I've cooked it for about 5 minutes over medium heat. I'm going to flip it over, nice and brown. And there we have it, guys, our Raisin Bannock. Super easy. The texture is kind of like a bagel. Really good. Check out thevillablog.com for all my videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Yummy.